Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sefira Andarista and I'm here today to explain to you about investment tips for beginners that you must consider. Before we start, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what is investing. Investing is one of the strategies to earn money passively. However, every investment must have its own risks, whether low, medium, or high. Without sufficient knowledge, investing is just speculation. Consequently, it often causes novice investors to experience losses. So that you don't fall into the investment trap, there are some tips that you can do. For number one is determine clear financial goals. If you want to invest, you should determine targets such as investment target for financing house down payments, children's education funds, retirement funds, or expenses for vacations. In addition to having clear financial goals, you must also have a time frame for when the plan will be realized. Is it in less than 1 year, 3 until 5 years, or maybe even longer to more than 10 years? After determining how long it will take, decide the amount of money you want to save and what investment instruments you should use to achieve your financial goals. Different time periods are indeed apply for different instruments. Number two is invest the investment instruments that you understand. Take the time to learn about the investment instrument that you want to use. Don't be easily influenced and tempted by unreasonable investments. Also, don't easily believe the news before doing your own analysis. Many new investors are often trapped because they are reluctant to learn the investment products that they choose. Sometimes new investors are afraid of missing the moment to buy or sell and end up following what people suggest without learning the product that they are about to buy. For number three is knowing your own risk profile. Before starting to invest, you should know your own risk profile. Are you a conservative, moderate, or aggressive type of investor? If you choose an investment instrument that doesn't match your risk profile, you can feel uneasy when investing. For number four is portfolio diversification. Markets can change very quickly. It's a good idea to diversify your investment portfolio. You can combine investments in several instruments with proportions that are adjusted to your risk profile. Having a clear plan makes us stick to the original plan. Don't make impulsive buying or selling transactions. You have to use cold cash or money that's available to spend to make investments. Don't use the money earned from debt. The most beautiful scenario is that, of course, if you're lucky enough that you can repay the debt. What if you experience a loss using money that you get from debt? You will get in trouble because the money is gone in the market. And the last but not least is evaluate your investment portfolio regularly. After you invest, evaluate your investment portfolio regularly. Always monitor about your investment, whether it experiences positive growth or not. After that, determine the future strategy that you will take next. There are many investment options available. For those of you who are new investors, bonds are relatively safer investment choice. If you want a Sharia investment product based on Sharia principles, you can choose Sharia bonds. Okay, that's all from me. Hopefully those tips that I give to you can be useful for those of you who want to start investing. And that's all for having me, and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.